back in your top-of-the-line office with court-ordered minimum safety standards. You're welcome, Agent 34. You're welcome. This is where you can select your next recall mission. There's a new mission available in the city center. And when you're ready, you should go, Agent 34. Welcome to the weapons table. This is where you can customize and equip new weapons. Be sure to modify your loadout for the next mission. You can see your holsters in the four corners of your vision. And in front of you, you'll see your available weapons. You can upgrade your weapons by equipping attachments to them. Equip the gun you are currently holding by holstering it. Then, you'll have it at the start of your next mission. This is the gun range. Shoot targets and practice as much as you'd like. Remember RoboReady's motto, you work for us. Do it well. Time to bring the fight to them. Ready to recall? Good luck out there, Agent 34. RoboReady's analytics team wants to examine defective robots. You'll be collecting them for us.
3, 2, 1, go!
Ow. Ow, ow, ow. The pain. Not the power down.
Is this the end of me? It burns! It's got me. The rider.
They can't escape!
Service with
Good
us.
work. Move down the street, Agent 34.
Not good, not good. Oh!
It burns. The screen.
Richard!
Not good. Not good.
Can we talk about this?
Ow, ow, ow. Low tower.
Robot heaven, I see it.
Explosive!
Enemies are nearby.
Ow, ow, ow. It burns. I was just getting started.
You can do it!
Customer request noted. Promotion.
Please clear this area, Agent 34. RoboReady is going to need you to go ahead and recall as many rogue robots as you can.
the robo. Nick too.
That had to.
The pain.
Like, is this the end of me?
Please keep your temper.
90 seconds left.
Oh,
Please release service with a smile.
the pain.
Recaller among recallers.
Not again. Daisy, Daisy, give me your heart.
We cannot serve your low power.
There's 60 seconds remaining.
Oh yeah! Go get him, Tiger!
Power down.
Burns, robot heaven. I see her.
Agent, 30 seconds left.
Low screen. Unauthorized service detected. Promotion. It burns.
Only 10 more seconds.
Please service with a smile.
Oh,
5, 4, 3, 2,
I
1.
was just
Not good. Not good.
You recalled enough products.
Run, robot, run!
Move to the next location. That robot has a shotgun.
the pain. Not good, not good. It burns. Fuck to the right
Punching bag.
Oh, not good, not good. Daisy, Daisy, give me your heart. Let go. Is this the end of me?
Ow. Power down.
Clock to the right
Low power.
You should keep moving, Agent 34.
Ow. Power down.
Why did they have handles? Daisy, Daisy, the pain. I was just getting.
Move to the next site. RoboReady's analytics team requests that you collect as many functioning products as possible.
Three, two, one, go!
We cannot serve your.
This vortex is where you may deposit collected items.
Can we talk about this?
Please release customer service agent. Customer request noted.
Not again.
Please release customer service agent. Unauthorized service detected.
It's got me.
90 seconds left.
We cannot serve your needs this way.
Melee mode. Can we talk about this? Not again. Got my pride and they have handles. Let go. Can we talk about this?
Please keep your temper.
Not again. we talk about this?
Over the top, Agent 34.
Melee mode activate. Unauthorized service detected.
Why did they have handles? Not again.
Please release customer service agent.
Only 10 more seconds.
It's got me. Let go.
5, 4, 3,
Customer,
2, 1.
please keep your temper.
We have received the correct number of items.
Not good, but promotion.
Great work, Agent 34. Return to the office, please.
To Barada, Nick 2.
Agent 34, you've collected quite a lot of data for RoboReady.
Like a champ, like a boss, like a real winner.
Our analysis has revealed the entity behind these hotspots. A master station, Robo AI, appears to have achieved sentience. He calls himself Odin.
From the Spanish, Woden, meaning skips lunch on Wednesdays.
Odin likely references the god of Norse mythology.
We'll just have to agree to disagree. I don't even know what that means.
Odin must be stopped.